Welcome to Level 3 Animation at Chelmsford College. Our course gives you the opportunity to explore the world of animation and illustration. Whether you are interested in 2D, 3D or stop motion, this is the course for you. We will provide you with the skills, knowledge and experience required to become successful in an exciting creative industry environment. We focus on building your essential knowledge and skills in animation, meeting the demands for a diverse range of realistic commercial scenarios across a range of platforms and contexts. Preparing you for a career in animated film and television, comic books, concept art, motion graphics, games design and so much more. During the 2-year course, you will be guided through the entire animation production pipeline, from initial idea generation right through to final post-production processes. Our lecturers come from a wide range of commercial and professional disciplines and will support you through the entire creative journey. Animation is an industry that is constantly evolving, with an increase in studios worldwide and more opportunities than ever to work remotely. As a result, we provide you with the core skills and principles needed, whatever your specialism. Through critical and theoretical understanding of how the industry operates, employability is at the heart of the programme outcomes. With guest speakers, live industry briefs and portfolio development, our programme gives you the valuable insight, network and development vital for success. We have everything you need right here at the college, including industry standard software, professional equipment and a studio space dedicated to animation, all of which you can use to bring your ideas to life. So, if you're interested in creating exciting worlds full of amazing stories and characters, developing your skills as an animator or illustrator, and preparing for a career in creative media, apply today.